$65 or something.
This is a 2002 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD, and today I'll show you how to replace the front sway bar bushings. Sway bar bushings should be replaced when they're damaged or start to degrade, which can lead to premature tire wear and diminish the vehicle's ability to safely handle emergency maneuvers. The bushings on this truck aren't showing any obvious signs of wear, but the owner says the steering is loose and has asked me to replace a number of common wear items in the steering linkage and suspension, so I've been making videos of all that along the way. This is a very simple job with the right tools, so let's get to it. Here are the tools that I used for this job. Plastic mallet, electric socket wrench, socket extension, 10mm socket, flathead screwdriver, a floor jack, and 2 jack stands. For this job I also needed a creeper, a light, padded gloves, safety glasses, a wheel chock, and a new set of front sway bar bushings. There are links in the description for everything I used. I'll start by chocking a rear wheel and lifting the front of the truck onto jack stands, but you could probably do this job without jacking up the front if you don't mind tight spaces. The sway bar bushings are held in place with metal brackets, and each one is secured with 2 10mm bolts. You'll need to remove both brackets before the sway bar will drop down far enough to swap out the bushings. I couldn't find a torque spec for these bolts, so I just made sure that they were snug, but leave a comment if you know how tight they should be. You might also consider replacing these bolts, especially if they're rusty or the heads are rounded off. It's probably going to be a couple of weeks before my next video is ready because I'm about to move my whole life 2,000 miles away, but I've got something pretty interesting lined up, so stay tuned for that. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.